Well, feiceann muid inis cad a cheap Peter O'Mahony gon chluiche tá se le Reggie.
Peter, tough one to take, I'm sure, coming here to the Aviva, expecting more beforehand. What's the atmosphere inside like?
Frustrated. I think we're very disappointed with our penalty count. It's something that we've worked hard on over the last 12-18 months, and I think we conceded 8 or 9 penalties in the first half. So you come to a team with the quality of Leinster have, and you haven't got a hope really if you're going to give away that many penalties.
In the early stages of the game, your defence seemed to be holding well. Leinster were applying a lot of pressure. They'd 65% of territory, yet they couldn't seem to score that much, and you got yourselves back into 7-all. But then in the second half, it just seemed to lose touch with Leinster a little bit.
Yeah, look, as I said, if you're going to play that much ball as a result of penalties, I mean, we spent most of the game exiting. I think we've probably had 3 or 4 lineouts at most, 3 or 4 set plays in Leinster's 22 off the top of my head. So look, you're not going to give yourself a chance to get in the game.
What do you think about the intensity from your teammates out there? Was there enough in the game? Did they give enough, do you think?
What you mean? Your question of my teammates?
No, I'm asking about the intensity that came from the team. Did you feel that they were giving it as much as they could possibly give out there?
Yeah, 100%.
I'm not trying to catch you out here, Peter. I'm just genuinely asking the question if you felt that, maybe they left something in the dressing room that there could have been more that they could have given.
No, 100% not.
Thanks, Peter. Appreciate it.